Hey everyone, so if you're watching this, you've been down the rabbit hole. I have a Malibu here. Mine's a 2018 LT, and I've been hearing some of this popping sound coming from the rear end back here. Really is only when you're going a pretty slow speed, anything under 40 miles per hour. I really notice it through the city and through subdivisions. So I found the solutions, and it's not what the company says. So I'm going to try to shine some light up in there. So originally they say tear out the shocks here and put some washers in there. Did that, and it did not help at all. So I did it to both sides. You can see the washer in there still a little bit, but that had no effect. So I ended up ripping shouldn't say ripping, took the tire off here and had multiple jacks, moving every little bolt up and down individually, and figured out the problem. So behind the tire here, on the other side of the tire is this knuckle, and that's what holds the basically the tire to the frame here with all these different bolts. And the tire has this piece right here is supposed to be able to move, and I'm trying to move it, and this is the knuckle, and this is supposed to flex, and it has it's basically a little bit of suspension. So you'll only notice it when your tire has to move about that much. So it's not where it's shocking and using the shocks, but it's just tiny movements. But this is wore out, it's busted, it's cracked, and the grease has all leaked out of here. So this bushing is not moving whatsoever. I had to replace the knuckle, which I will show you guys what the GM part is. You can pause it here if you need to. The GM part is 844-54535. And this is for the left rear. The bushing was about, I want to say 60 or 75 bucks or so. I tried to replace it myself. I was able to get most of the bolts off, but I was unable to get these two bolts off. So I actually put it all back together, took it down to my local mechanic with the new part. This is the old one that I'm holding. They swapped these parts out. It took them about 2 hours. So they were able to do it pretty easy. But the hardest part is you have to break this piece off of the the mount that's holding the tire on there, and that can be a little bit difficult to separate this piece off of the tire. So if you don't have the right tools, it might be a pain in the neck. But that is the fix for the popping sound. It is this bushing. It is not the washers in the shock back there. All right, good luck. See ya. Bye.